Here's the old K10 side covers. Pretty grotty, so what we do is we'll just give them a quick blast like that. And we'll probably just hit them with a little bit of wet and dry and then polish them up. So we're just about to blast this one. See how that goes. All of these seals will be replaced, so the dramas there. So yeah, you just carry on. These are the bits after the blasting. Don't look too bad. So we'll just smooth that down with a little bit of wet and dry. There's a couple of scratches there that I've got to take out, so I'll just hone them out wet and dry and on the back of the wheel. See how that goes. Dirt still there, so just got to take out that. Otherwise it's not bad. Happy with that. That's good. here's our crank that we cleaned up. Came up pretty good. Now, inside here badly scored in the crank, and same on this side here. And there. What I think had happened was that they dropped a part of the piston. Have a look at this piston here. You can see there, it's pretty bad. So what we've got is got to just clean it out a bit, smooth off all this, wet and dry, and here as well. But most of the parts came up pretty good. Have to do a thorough clean of all the dust. No big deal, so we're pretty happy about that. Even cleaned up the carby. It's not too bad. So, it's all go.